If you want to make money by simply filming videos in the comfort of your own room, this is a shortcut. I'm talking about a whole system where it takes you 2 to 3 minutes to film a perfectly scripted video that can bring in thousands of dollars each and every month. Most people overthink things, they try to be perfect, but I'll show you how to go ahead and leverage AI, captions, and the algorithm to start monetizing this week. In this video, I'll talk about why you need to start creating talking head videos, talk about how the new meta moved from horizontal videos to now vertical videos for informational products. Talk about how just by being you, the AI will go ahead, the algorithm, the AI will go ahead and find the audience for you. How to go ahead and come up with the best video hooks. So for the first 3 seconds, let me move things around now. How you can go ahead and what to do for the first 3 seconds, what to do for the last 3 seconds, how to go ahead and pick the best text hooks, because as you can see in each one of these videos, there's text hooks on the video. So I'll go ahead and give you the formula for that, and I'll also give you the formula for the captions, so the text at the bottom of the video, these captions on what to do. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use ChatGPT to automate all this to give you the best hooks, best text hooks, text, I think this is called text, like visual text on screen hook, I'll call it that. And then the best captions. Then lastly, I'll talk about how stacking videos is okay. You can literally just stack 5 of these in a row, 10 of these in a row, in between your other travel content, workout content, vlog content, and it's totally fine. So let's jump straight into things, and we'll go ahead and I'll go ahead and talk about why you need to start creating talking head videos. If you make travel videos, montages, even though you're reaching hundreds of thousands of people, you're getting $0 freaking dollars. Because people have no idea who you are. Unless you're talking to the audience like I'm doing now, how else is they might see your face, they might see some caption, but they only truly get to know you if you're talking to your audience. So you want to start mixing talking head videos into your content if you want to start making money and start building an audience that is monetizable. A travel influencer with 1 million followers, subscribers, might make just the same amount as someone that has 10,000 followers, but they're doing these long form talking head videos. And the reason why the person with 10,000 followers is making more money is because their audience is really getting to know that creator as they're listening to that creator talk in long periods of time. And in doing so, that audience is now willing to fork out and pay money and give money to this creator because the audience resonates with the creator. If no one knows you, no one can buy from you. So talk to the camera. Follow if that hit. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the importance of creating vertical videos and how that's the new meta. Back in the days, I used to come from YouTube, so I'm used to doing horizontal videos, but horizontal videos are now dead. The meta has moved to vertical videos. Here's the video. Horizontal educational videos are dead. Vertical videos are now the only shot at growing in 2025 if you're in the info space. Look, I came from a YouTube background, starting in YouTube in 2018. So I'm a big fan of these horizontal videos, but the truth is these no longer work in today's time. Unless you're filming like a 25-minute plus video that you can put on YouTube, then it's worth doing it. But if it's not over 25 minutes, you're wasting your time with these horizontal videos. The new meta is these vertical videos with the text, talking head, handheld, and that's just the new meta. And if you can't evolve, you're gonna fall behind. Like, it was hard for me to make that change because I've been doing YouTube for the last 8 years. I'm used to a informational PowerPoint horizontal video. And I used to make these 3-minute videos, 7-minute videos, 8 minutes, 13, 15, and they would crush. But nowadays, unless it's 25-minute plus, it's not worth doing a horizontal video. That's it. Go vertical or go invisible. Drop a comment if you're making the switch. Next is, I just want you to be you and just be consistent. Like, this formula is so easy. All you just need to do is just trust that by being you, the algorithm will help you out. The algorithm is literally trying to help you, but you're not feeding it enough data. You want to be posting as much as possible for 30 days straight and just being the authentic you. And if you do it consistently every single day, the algorithm is going to find exactly who likes you, who wants to listen to you, who is your true tribe members. But most of you aren't patient enough. Most of you are giving up after 5 days, 10 posts, 20 posts. Like give it 200 freaking posts and trust me, the algorithm is going to exactly know who your ideal audience is. And as AI gets smarter and smarter over time, that algorithm is only going to get stronger and stronger. So you just want to keep posting, keep being the authentic you, and let the algorithm do the heavy lifting. All you have to do is just show up as yourself. The algorithm wants to work for you. Show up daily and let it do its job. Follow if you're in. Now, let's go over video hooks. How should you start your videos? Everyone knows the first 3 seconds is very important. Here's an exact guide on what to do in the first 3 seconds. If you're a content creator struggling to grow, you're losing every single viewers in 3 seconds. And here's the brutal truth. No one sticks around unless you force them to. I'll show you how to fix that. I studied a bunch of viral videos and all the hooks they use, and here were the 4 things that I took away. 1, you want to instantly call out who you're targeting and who you want to talk to. 2, there's always hyperbole in the introduction. Things like you're 2 months away from changing your life and having your dream life. Like that's a hyperbole. 3, they include hard truths. Like there was a hook that said, if you're pulling up to your intern, you need to shut the fuck up. Like that is a, hard truth. And lastly, 4, it indicates what the rest of the video is about. There was a hook that said, I feel bad for motherfuckers that are going through a breakup right now. So that clearly tells you what the video is about. So if you're still losing viewers every 3 seconds, that ends today. Drop a comment if that helped, and follow for more content strategies that actually work. You got the message. Now deliver it like it matters, because no one sticks around unless you give them a reason to. All right, cool. Now that you've sort of mastered the first 3 seconds, you go ahead and give value. What's the best way to end your video? Because this is very important, because this is how you can get people to engage. This is how you get people to stay on the app for longer. And this will ultimately help you get more views if you're able to do those 2 things. Get more engagement, and 2, get people to stay on the TikTok social media app for longer. If your videos don't end with a punch, you're losing viewers. I went ahead and scraped all these top performing talking head videos, and I studied exactly how they ended their videos. And here were the 4 biggest takeaways. 1, they quickly conclude the video. They quickly wrap it up, they don't drag it out, there's a clean exit. 2, most of them include a call to action, asking people to comment, follow, etc. Even those that don't directly say it, they say it in a way where it's designed to provoke comments. 3, there's a motivational end. Most of these videos end with a motivational push. And 4, they reaffirm the hyperbole that was mentioned in the 3-second hook. So it creates this cohesive full story moment in the video. It's not all about your hook. Your ending also matters. Follow if you're done making that mistake. Now, this is very important, the text on the screen. It's very important because when people scroll, that's the first thing they see. So it's very important to have a strong text on screen hook. So here's how you go about that. Your on-screen text is broken. That's sort of why you're not getting views. I studied these sort of on-screen text of all these top performing talking head videos. And here are the 3 common things I learned. 1, it needs to be controversial and raw. You need to sort of have a hyperbole and just exaggerate. These statements will grab TikTok's attention viewers instantly, and that's crucial for retention. 2, it needs to be relatable and specific, so when people see it, they know exactly that this video is for them and they need to keep watching. Being specific equals clarity, which equals more people stopping to watch. And 3, it needs to call out a specific group of people. The kind of targeted calling out that helps speak directly to someone who is in that exact situation, which will increase relevance and retention. Stop guessing, use better text, get better results, comment it if this helped. Next is the captions. What do you want to put in your caption? Because it's small, but it matters. It reinforces the text hook. So here's how you go about with the captions. If you write boring captions, you're killing your video. I went ahead and studied what captions all these top performing talking head videos do. And here are my 3 biggest takeaways. 1, you want to keep it very short and simple. 2, it needs to extend on the title, the hook, instead of give more of an emotional background on what you're trying to convey in your video. Add a personal note or reinforce relatability. And lastly, 3, it needs to match the tonality of your hook in the 3 seconds or the text that you have on screen. So if you had a motivational hook and text, then you want it to be a sort of uplifting caption. Or if it was a tactical video, you want to have a clear benefit focus caption in your text, the description below. So fix your caption, stop losing views, follow for more value. Now lastly, this is the very fun and important part. How do you go ahead and use ChatGPT and AI to automate and script and do everything for you? AI created this viral video. Steal my exact prompt. So here's the exact whole prompt. Just message me on Instagram if you want a copy of the actual text. But number 1, I say, here's my video. You want to talk about what your video is about. Put in all the points within all your videos. Maybe you even want to provide a screenshot of all the evidence and stats that you might want to use in the attachment and tell ChatGPT that's what you did. So 1, I asked ChatGPT to come up with a hook that follows these 4 points. So I was like, hey ChatGPT, give me a hook that instantly calls out who I'm targeting, make sure there's a hyperbole, give a hard truth, and clearly indicate what the rest of the video is about. So it will create a 3-second hook that has all 3 of those things, and I provide examples so it knows. Then I tell ChatGPT, please come up with the ending of the video, because I know how you end these videos, it's very important. I'm like, I want the ending to quickly conclude the video, include a call to action, give a motivational push in the end, and reaffirm the hyperbole that was mentioned in the initial hook, and I give it examples. So then it will give me the ending of the video. Next is I asked it to create the on-screen text. So the on-screen text I'm using for this video was done by ChatGPT. I was like, hey, create a visual text overlay, make sure it's hyperbolic, controversial and raw, relatable and specific, and calls out a group or moment. And I give it some examples. So then it'll give me, the text I'm using for this video. Fourthly, I asked for the post and description. So I asked it to create a post and description that is very short, casual, make sure the caption extends the title or gives emotional background on what I'm trying to say, and have it match the tone of the hook. Then I'm like, hey, in short, give me a few options for 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So for the 3-second hooks, it gives me 3 different 3-second hooks to choose from based on my criteria as I mentioned. Give me 3 endings, give me 3 visual text overlay, give me 3 post captions. And this whole thing, it's a pretty long script, so that's why I have to do 4 screenshots. But I literally paste that whole thing in with the information of my video, and it pumped out this video, and I now use it for all my future reels, and it's super duper handy. That's the exact prompt I use on ChatGPT. Follow for more. Send me a message on Instagram if you want the exact text. I can send you a Word doc with everything there. Drop a comment if you're going to try this today. Awesome. So if you want this script, just send me a message and I can link you this Canva or put this on a doc. Just message me on Instagram at AndyQmy. Here. At AndyQmy. And I'll go ahead and I'll send you this whole script. And then lastly, people are worried, hey, like what if I do like 8 videos in a span of an hour? It's totally fine. Stacking is good. Also, if you do travel vlog content, you want to put it all in one. And even if you stack 8, 10 talking head videos in a row in between your exercise, vlog, travel content, it's totally fine. Here's why. Look, posting 5 of these talking head videos isn't going to kill your account. Stop babying the algorithm. As you can see, I posted a ton of these in between my travel videos, and you know what? It's not going to matter. 1, you're a small account, so it doesn't matter anyways. 2, the algorithm is super duper smart. It treats each and every video independently, meaning it would know that these videos probably wouldn't want to be watched by the people who watch my travel videos, and the people who watch my travel videos most likely won't watch these talking head videos. So by doing both, I'm able to attract 2 pools of audience, and the days of creating a niche account is sort of over. The AI, the algorithm is getting so smart, we can throw 100 things into one account and it will still optimize those 100 pieces of content independently. Each video is its own game, so post everything. Follow if this gave you some peace. So that's the whole formula. That is exactly why talking head videos are the easiest way to start making money online right now. You already have everything you need, your voice, your face, and your story, your unique story. Just be yourself. So drop a comment if you're ready to start. I'll reply to a few comments personally. Send me a message if you have any questions on Instagram, and let's start building. Peace out.